Hello educators, welcome to my channel Tea and Teacher. Today there was a news in the newspaper that the Zilla Parishad has asked the teachers to focus on the 3 hours of learning. What do I mean by 3 hours? उसका मतलब क्या होता है? 3 hours होता है कि reading, writing and arithmetic. Now, let us understand कि अभी ये क्यों ज़रूरी हो गया है. The closure of the school has left the children with the loss which can have a long term implication on the children. So it became very necessary to understand where the children stand today. So there was a survey which was done by the government, and it was noticed that many of the children couldn't read or write a language. They were having a problem. अब language ही नहीं आएगा तो आगे बच्चा करेगा क्या? ये तो बेस होता है. So that is why it become necessary for the teachers to now go beyond the textbook and help the children to overcome the loss which they have gone through. The teachers are already working online, but now an added responsibility on the teachers, to play an effective role in bringing these children out of the loss which they have gone through. So let's start रीडिंग राइटिंग एंड एरिथमेटिक. ये आपने पहले भी सुना ही है, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने ये वर्ड्स नहीं सुने हैं, क्योंकि दीज आर द बेसिक्स और द बेसिक स्किल्स विच द चिल्ड्रन नीड टू नो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ रीडिंग. एज अ टीचर, हाउ कैन यू हेल्प द चाइल्ड टू रीड? अभी तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही है, तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन मेक कीप अ डे, where you are asking them to read. You can have a reading day one day as a reading period where you are just taking reading of theirs. अब आप बोलोगे रीडिंग से पहले start with their words. Okay, you can give them difficult word, you can play some quiz and games, where different new words are coming in, and the child is learning that vocabulary. Once the child has learned the vocabulary, sentences को segment करके सिखाइए उनको, so that they are able to read effectively. एनकरेज देम टू रीड स्टोरी बुक्स. हो सकता है चिल्ड्रन को बहुत बोर लगे हमेशा चैप्टर पढ़ने के लिए, तो एनकरेज देम टू रीड स्टोरी बुक्स. एनकरेज देम टू रीड ऑन गूगल, because children are more used to phones and laptops and tablets now. You can always encourage them to read on Google also. Next is, you can also ask them, to learn the difficult words. Use more of dictionary, where they are coming across new vocabulary and the meanings of it. This way they will start developing the reading habit. Next is writing. Now when I say writing, make the child write from the screen. Definitely, now this is, since the online classes are going on, you are going to ask the children to copy from from the online screen. Next is, you can ask the child to write handwritten notes to their parents. You can also ask the child to write birthday cards for their friends, make greeting cards for their teacher where they are writing small notes. This way their writing habit will not go down, so they will have that habit, or writing speed would be in normal when they come back to their physical class also. So encourage them every day, give them a topic to write on this. I want you to write something very nice, sweet letter to your friend or to your parent, write a thank you note to your maid. Anything like that would help the child to develop interest in writing. This way the child will at least take an effort to write. क्योंकि अभी वही प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि बच्चे लिखना नहीं चाह रहे हैं, उनको एक डिफिकल्टी आ रही है लिखने में. Next is mathematical or arithmetic operations. How are you going to teach this? One thing is that you can ask them to plan the distance between, their house and the market they go to. Ask them what is the distance from the chair where they are sitting till the main door. Find out that, calculate that. Or as a teacher, you can ask them, okay, now when you will come back to school, we are planning for a picnic. Where do you think we should go for a picnic? Find the spot, find the distance, find the cost. What do you think? What are the things would be required to take along? What is the cost of each thing? And what do you think would be the total cost of the picnic? So how much should we charge from you? That way the child will at least take interest, because picnic is coming. So the child will start developing interest in that, to okay, I need to calculate this, and he will go. Next, ask them to plan an itinerary. When they start planning their own itinerary, to go for a picnic or, go for a field trip, that way they develop the interest in calculating what are the things which are necessary. They will jot down everything. What is going to happen next? What is the next plan? What is the next things which are happening? That way they will be able to develop the mathematical operations also. So the basic, small things, these are the things, or techniques which the teacher can start using, to develop these 3 hours more effectively, and try to focus on this. So as teachers, I feel we should start looking beyond our textbooks and go, with the flow and the interest of the children, which will help them to develop the 3 hours, and they become effective, and whatever the loss has happened till now, at least we can minimize that. So I hope you take these tips and techniques very encouragingly and use it in your class. If you have liked my tips and techniques, do share it with your friends who are in the teaching field, and do like and subscribe my channel, and keep waiting for Tea and Teacher.